Hey guys, I'm Mike and I hope you're all well. Chester, shut up. You remember yesterday I put some WD-40 on the fuel pump? Now it works. But the 12-volt battery that I had, I think it's completely dead. So I've got a 12-volt adapter here. We're gonna connect them. Okay, if you're wondering which is the black and which the red, the positive cable, I'll show you. This cable is all black. That's a black cable. But this cable, I don't know if you can see it. This cable has a white stripe. That's the positive, the red one. Okay. We're gonna need our soldering iron, so I've just plugged it in. So this is the red wire. This is the black. Okay. And let's put this in the socket. And now the time of truth. Let's see if this fuel pump works. No. No. I wonder if there's a good connection here because those crocodile. Oh, there you are. It fell off. Let's have a look inside. Yeah, you see the tip is all black, so it doesn't make any contact. I'm thinking, yeah, just to make sure we'll get rid of those. Okay, we'll have to be careful now. I'm gonna connect them and this thing is in the socket, it has power. So just want to make sure which cable goes. Okay, this is the red cable. This is the red cable. Yeah, we'll connect those. Okay. This is the black cable. Now, doing it this way, we'll know for sure if the fuel pump works or it has broken. Nothing. Nothing. Okay, so we have no luck with the fuel pump. So either the fuel pump is completely gone. You know what? At this point, I've got nothing to lose. I'll just open it. It doesn't work anyhow. And I thought it was that my battery was dead. It could probably be dead. I'm not sure that the adapter I've connected, um, that gives 12 volts from the wall socket, if it's not working. But I think it should be working. I mean, it can't be the battery dead and this thing dead as well. It's the pump that's got the problem. Okay, let's open it and have a look inside. Okay, it's a really simple design. This is the cable, the power cable. This is the switch. You can see it here. I don't think the switch has a problem. I don't see any corrosion or anything. But the motor looks really bad, and from what I can see, it doesn't even turn. Oh, wait a minute, it turns. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't turn at all. I think the motor is stuck. Let's get it out. I can't get it out. Okay. We better forget about the pump. Wait a minute, it's working now. Do you hear the sound? It's working. So we have power. Maybe we don't have enough power for it to work. It makes a noise, but the motor doesn't turn. Okay, I know the solution for this. Let's turn it off. Okay. I'm gonna spray it all with WD-40. And I bet tomorrow it will be working. It still doesn't turn easily. Let's give it some power. You can hear it making noise. But it's turning real slow. Okay, turn it off. WD-40 will do its magic. Okay, I'm gonna leave this like that and wait for a day for WD-40 to do its magic. Now let's see what else we have to do for the airplane. Okay guys, now you remember that I sprayed the whole engine with WD-40 yesterday. The engine is not stuck, it works. what we have problem with is the carburetor. Now this screw doesn't work. It's all rusted, but it turned into a better color today. And the throttle doesn't work. It's stuck as well on idle. So I'm gonna try WD-40 one more time, and if this doesn't do it, I will have to change carburetor. It only costs 40 euros, but I'll have to order it. However, I can start it like that without even having throttle. It will just work on the RPA, on the idle RPM. But yes, I want to see that it still works before even ordering a carburetor. But the problem is, we've got a problem with the fuel tank, with the fuel pump. I hope, I've just sprayed it with WD-40, I hope that the fuel pump will work tomorrow, because without the fuel pump, there is no way to put gas in this thing. The fuel tank is in here. It's in a compartment where you don't have any access, and in order to put some gas on it, you take this out of the carburetor like so, and you connect it with a fuel pump, and that's how you fill your airplane. So better luck next time. We'll see how it goes tomorrow.